Yeah. I come in. I gotta try. Yeah. Let me try to fix the pond. I know. I know. It's kind of emptied out. I'm sorry. I know. I'm gonna fix it. Stop yelling at me. All right. We got some more pond liner material. So I think what we want to do is I'm just going to cover this whole end here. 4x7, so I guess probably want the 7-foot side. It's all right. He's not going to eat you. I know. Scary stuff. Everything's scary. Duck is just, yeah, I know. That stuff gets scary, huh? All right. I know. It'll be over soon. Relax. I know. Set the pond liner. Set this over these cinder blocks. Hold this piece of brick for now until I get something better, prettier. There we go. I'm probably down to an area I did not clean because I'm a dummy. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do it in several pieces. Just doing one long piece is a pain in the ass. And also, this is very crinkly, wrinkly, and I'm not sure how well this is going to translate. So, put that there. The problem we're trying to fix, by the way, is the pond keeps emptying itself under the liner. But I think something is happening to the waterfall when we're not watching it, and it's getting under the liner here. So I'm going to line the whole front here so that hopefully that can't happen again, because this pond holds a lot of water and we can't just keep filling it up. Right now we've only got a 350 gallon water tank for the house from our spring, so we have to be a little conscientious of that. There. Thanks for getting it dirty, though. Thanks for getting it dirty, though. Look at your mouth. Go wash your mouth. So much dirt. Definitely going to need to sharpen this knife. Alright, let's see. The plan is at some point I'm going to use some pond foam to glue rocks onto this liner so that it doesn't look, I don't know, it just doesn't look nice. Not that it needs to look extremely nice, the ducks don't care, but it would be nice if it was more pleasant to look at. I know you want to come in and help. I know you want to come in and help. What's up? What you doing? Yeah. Oh. You'd be a big help, huh? If I stick your bill right in the tape. Yeah, that wouldn't be fun. No. Doesn't have to be too perfect because I don't think the water's ever going to get up that high because of the way that the mountain tilts. So that's not really going to be an issue. Oh, you got a squirrel all over this. Yeah. Yeah. Haha. Very funny. Very funny. Yeah. Gross. Thank you. Cut this here. I know. What's up? What? I know you want me to put water in the pond. Hold on. I'm working on it. Relax. There's no water in here. There's not enough for you to do anything in, except for squirrel and make a mess. Yeah. Alright. A couple areas I can see with a little bit of gap. Let me just get some small tapes to patch. Need to get some more stones. I found one checking on the water tank yesterday. Put it in that corner to hold it up. So that allows us to put more water in here. The ducks do not seem to care for my ramp. I don't know if it's too steep or they just don't like the way it looks. They keep trying to jump out and whack on the side instead of coming on this thing and just climbing out. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why you guys don't want to use this. I know. Goodness. Put the sharp side down for you, huh? Yeah. Alright. You ready? And did I get some more water in here? Yeah? Alright. Hold on. What's this? What is this? How come you haven't not eaten it? What is that? Oh. What is that? Is that yummy ryegrass? And do you want peas? No, Marion. Let Indy have that one. There you go. There you go, buddy. This is a good one. Hey, what's this? You messy. You messy. What you doing? Yeah. I didn't make the math. I didn't make a math. Alright, let me get some buckets. Pain in the ass. Now I just got my boot wet. Yeah. I know. There you go. There you go. Now we got some water, huh? Only about 20 more of those. You're not helping. I'm listening for water. Don't get the bucket dirty. What are you doing? You can't get in there. No. There's nothing in there you want anyway. Get your face out of there, Marion. Marion. What are you doing? Here. Yeah, I just want to go down here and see if I see any water running down. Because we have very clay heavy soil. And I feel like this would start filling up if it was leaking down here. Because this is where the water tends to collect, is over here. And under here, I don't see any water. Alright, keep putting water in, see what happens. Yeah, it's supposed to rain again this week, so rain barrel will fill back up. But it was raining last night when the pond completely drained itself, so there's also that. duck, 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 duck. You wanna come down and see me? You wanna come see me? Yeah, what do you do? Yeah. You wanna come up and see it? You wanna come up and see it? You wanna come see Daddy? Yeah? Yeah, you wanna come up and see me? Yeah. What you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. You come up and sit? Oh, there's a dog. It's getting dark. She wants to go inside. Yeah, you're going to destroy those shoelaces the way you did the other ones. Yeah. You shoelace destroyers. You know, I put a bucket of fresh water down here for you. But you want the dirty one. Oh, Andy. You biffed it. Offended now, Dad. Andy's offended. Not gonna do it on camera.